Hi friends, myself Nirmala. Today in this video we are going to see derived column transformation in SSIS. Agenda is what is derived column transformation in SSIS, how to use derived column transformation in SSIS. Derived column transformation means it's a playing a vital role in dealing with expressions in SQL Server Integration Service. It's basically used to modify the value of the column on try before writing into the destination. The derived column transformation also provides a feature to create a new column or replace existing one with values calculated from expression. Guys, you hope understand what is derived column transformation by using these descriptions. Okay, it's basically used to deal with the expression in SQL Server. You can modify the value of the column on the fly for writing into the destination. Today demo how you can load data from CSV file to the SQL Server table by deriving the value columns based on source input. We are going to derive full name and gender prefix and entry time. These are all the columns already not present in our SQL Server table, but we are going to derive based on our source input. We are going to derive these details. Okay. So the full name is the combination of first name and last name. First name and last name already present in our source input. We are going to combine that and we just make us a full name. And we are going to identify gender prefix. Already we are having gender field in our source input. We are just going to calculate the prefix based on our if else statement in derived column transformation. Entry time we just put the entry time based on date functions. Okay, let's see. I'm having the CSV file. It's having ID, first name, last name, email, IP address, gender. Okay, we are going to derive the columns like a full name, gender, prefix, entry time by using the derived column transformation. So I'm having the source input. Okay, this many columns. I'm just additionally going to derive these three fields based on source input. Okay, that means full name we are just going to calculate by combining first name and last name. Gender prefix we are going to calculate by taking gender input. If it is female, then we are just going to take the prefix F. If it is male, then we are going to take prefix as a M. Likewise, okay. Then entry time we are just going to put entry time one more column where on the system date. Okay. So after doing this derived column transformation, you can get the result like this. Okay. The full name is the combination of first name and last name. So gender prefix based on the gender column. Entry time is the get date. Okay. Then once we derive these three columns, we will load that into SQL Server. Okay. From the source input to target, we are loading the data. In between, we are doing derived column transformation. By using that, we are just deriving three of the columns. That's it. We are going to see this via practical way. Let me open MSBI Visual Studio. So create new SSIS package. Okay. So for loading data from source to destination, you need a data quotas. Then double click, define the source input as a flat file source. Because we are just going to load data from the CSV file, define the connection manager to browse the files. In the CSV files, I am going to load this data. Okay, if open columns name in the first data row. Okay, columns name, first data row having the columns name in the file. So see the first row having the column names, then rest of the are datas. Okay, click OK. Then define the target is a OLEDB destination because we are going to load data to SQL Server, correct? So in between, I need to derive some of three of the columns, correct? So you have to use derived column transformation. Just to flow the connection from flatware source to derived column, then double click derived column. So now we are going to identify first full name, correct? Yes. full name. So full name will be the combination of first name plus and this given space plus last name. Okay. Then what? So the original Unicode string is automatically created. So then what we are going to check the prefix, gender prefix, right? So then we are just adding new column. So gender prefix, if gender is equal to male, then question mark. If it is male, then we are putting M. Else, we are putting female. Okay. Okay. There are- Okay. Now what we are just going to put entry time. We are going to add new column as entry time. Entry time should be the get date. Correct. Just to put date and time function and just adding the get date. Here I am just make the double quotation here, so I included. Okay. Okay. Click OK. Now what you do, just close this connection from derived to OLDB destination. Double click this and create new OLDB connection manager to connect the SQL server. Click the driver as the OLDB driver for SQL server. Then click give the server name and select the catalog as HCF table connection. Start succeeded. Click OK. Click OK. Then table it should be fast load. Then table name you need. I'm just creating a table name because I don't have table already. So if you see whatever we derived additionally, it included at the end of the table script, correct? At the end of gender column, additionally included. I'm just giving addition as person. Now you just go and check if the table present in SQL Server or not. Okay, it's not present, correct? But once you click the OK, the table structure automatically will be created in our SQL Server. Click OK and just go and see. See, the structure has been created. Okay, now just click mapping. You can see the mapping already present based on the alias name. It's identified and it's mapped automatically. I don't need to change anything. Click OK. Now save and run the SSIS package. 100 watts transfer from platform source to destination. Then click SQL Server, select the data. You see the full name came as the combination of first name and last name. Then the prefix also uh, we identified and entry time is a get date time. So guys, I hope you understand derived column transformation why we are using. So you can play around with whatever you need, right? Because we have a lot other functions as well. So if you see here, derived column transformation, if you click, there are other mathematical functions you can use it. The string function we already see, but you could see left, length, lower, uppercase, replace all things. So even null functions we are having, date and time functions we are having, type case we already in my previous tutorial I just used type case how you can use it. So the operators also you can use it. So you can play around with all these things. As of now, I just given how you can play around with this, right? So guys, please watch closely. If you guys need any other details as well, please comment me. Thank you so much for watching my video, right? So please subscribe if you like it. Thank you so much.